All right, can I get to my wild card thing now, Will? Now that you're done with your union, no.
Willie do wild card.
You better turn that down.
We still got a couple stories actually.
Okay.
You want to go to the last one?
No, it's fine. It's fine. Go ahead.
No,
Go ahead.
You go ahead.
No, you go ahead. No, you go.
All right, cool.
Magical serpentine creature of the deep sea, filmed by scientists in the dark ocean. Mysteries abound. Yeah, this is that. Like, you don't know how deep it goes.
Sea.
There's so many things over there.
And space.
Isn't it weird? The deep sea, how much it looks like space.
Mm-hmm.
It's because it's the absence of light.
And just
darkness.
Floating.
Yes. Correct, Will. So what is this thing? What is it? A snake?
So they don't really know what it is.
Oh, good.
It's termed a snaky siphonophore.
Siphonophore.
And it's not just one creature. Apparently, it's many.
Polyphony.
Yes, it's a polyphony creature.
Ray tracing.
Yes.
Does it have ray tracing?
I don't think it does.
No. It's Will Do's next big project.
This is an
It's an undersea game.
Ooh. Like Subnautica.
Yes.
I love that game.
That's a good game.
Subnautica, yeah.
This is already a game?
Scary as hell.
Wait a second. This is already a game?
It's like an open world. You're trapped in the ocean on a little life craft. And you have to explore and rebuild your craft to launch into space. And it's scary. I'm afraid of the ocean. It's scary, dude.
Oh, wow. But you get it. Oh, so you get a chance to go under.
Oh, yeah. You spend the whole game underwater.
Nice. Yeah, that looks fun.
There's some caustics here, too.
I think I need it to be.
No, what's a caustic?
It's reflections and refractions.
He's going graphics nerd again. He's going cheeky
just
graphics
like the
nerd.
Tweet.
Yeah,
the tweet.
Cheeky, snarky graphics nerd.
So this thing's 160 feet.
Ooh.
Wow.
The ocean is a scary place, man.
160 feet. Good Lord.
How long?
And there's many out there.
Oh, it's actually a giant colony of creatures.
Yes. Yeah, it's just not one worm creature.
It's all types of organisms together.
That's living. It's like an island.
Is it a jelly or?
There seems to be like jelly parts, or maybe it's fuzzy parts. I don't know. Oh, a lot of weird materials here.
Imagine getting this footage, man. You gotta get the camera all the way down there.
How deep did you say how deep it was already? I was reading
2,300 to 3,280 feet.
That's where they live.
Because you got pressure.
Yeah.
You needed a special container and all that. Yeah, I think it's harder than filming around here. Would be my guess.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.